So now we're going to move on down to status line. So this is all kind of preferences. I like to keep the logo on. That's just this right here. Notice if we turn that off, that's gone. Title, that's going to remove that. All right. And it's trying to get me to pay. I'm on a free account right now, but yeah, if I want to pay, I would use that link down below in the description. Let me refresh this to get rid of this. Back where we were, title. It's going to be this right here. Open market status. Where is that at? Okay, so this right here just lets you, I think it's legit just this O right here. I'm going to take that off. OHLC values, that's all this right here. That's personally too much for me. This is about cleaning up your chart. Bar change values, I personally don't need that on my chart, so I take that off. And then we have all this over here, which gives me most of the data I need. Now going on, I said I do like to leave this up here, so under symbol, this is what I have. And then indicators, I don't have any on my charts, but here, let's add one on here just so you can see. So I'm gonna add an EMA. Okay, they want me to join, so I'm not going to do that right now, but this is something for you to play around with on your own. But yeah, you can come in here. I personally on mine, I leave the titles for my indicators. It'll usually show up right here. And you'll actually see, okay, it looks like I have volume. And then the arguments, I have that turned off. And then you'll notice down here, we still have the volume. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna come here, X out of that. And now the chart looks so much cleaner already. And moving on, we have scales and lines. Leave that on. I personally just leave all this just like this. All this looks good to me. Then canvas, this is where some of you may have preferences. And change the background to solid. The grid line, I personally prefer to have none. That's another way you really clean it up. Let's go back and do that. Grid lines, messy chart, none, so much cleaner, so smooth. All right, going on, crosshair. I think those were the lines for the grid, so that shouldn't really matter. And then going on the scales, none of this matters. And then one other thing I want to do is come in here, change the background color, and yeah, that's nice right there. Now I'm gonna hit OK. And now, yeah, my chart, here it is, it's clean.